Okay, this is video number 2. What?
I said okay.
For what?
Just, to be done with stuff.
What stuff?
The stuff we gotta do, babe.
Which is, what is that?
The shifter, the truck, the tip nature stuff.
I already did. I told you that.
You did the the tissue lady?
Yeah, I did the tissue lady.
Are you sure? I'm gonna call you into work tomorrow if it ain't done.
It's already done.
Alright.
I promise.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. They call me when you come in to the paperwork. I'm like, Ben said he'd do it.
I'm not Ben.
Well, you said you'd do it, so.
But I'm not Ben.
Here, grab this.
Grab what?
This.
What's this? No.
I got 30 more minutes.
No, you don't.
Is that clock right?
Yeah. No, we forgot to set it back. Here.
Yes.
We forgot to set it back.
Yes.
Yes, what?
I was late to work. Wait, hold on. You're supposed to get up at 1, babe.
Why?
I'm supposed to be to work for 1.
Oh, well. The clock's messed up. Weird.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna be to work till 11 then.
And what? Huh? What?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah, let's get up. Get ready. Why are you recording? Do you see the time? Did you make coffee?
No.
Did you roll cigarettes? Did you get me socks?
No. I thought you did it last night.
Nope.
You didn't?
No.
I thought you did.
I planned on it, but then I didn't.
Yeah, you did. You rolled cigarettes.
I rolled some, yeah. Oh, can you make cinnamon rolls?
I already did.
Let's get ready.
I'll give you 5 more minutes.
What?
It's 5 in the morning, babe.
Okay, good. Why are you recording at 5 in the morning?
Because?
No. Really, why are you recording at 5 in the fucking morning? Go to sleep. Weirdo. Fuck that.
I like weirdoing you out. Okay?
Yeah.
You love me?
Yeah.
Are you starting to sober up?
Yeah.
I'll bring you back and let you go back to sleep, okay?
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too.